This is a weekly chart of gold, and closing of weekly candle confirm many things. Since closing and opening are almost near, and this long tail confirm more seller than buyer last week. All of these sellers are holding their positions and their target is 1765 and their stop loss is here. Closing also confirm one more thing. Buyer of this candle are still holding their position for 2 consecutive weeks. If they have closed all of their positions, then last week candle would have closed below this level, but it did not close. This was the entry of buyers and these two are their profit target. 382% retracement is their first profit target, which has not tested yet, and their next target is 618% retracement. Since these are corrective waves and corrective wave retrace 618%, so all of these buyers are holding their position in hope market will test 1956. If market goes here, then all of these buyers have to wait. If they try to re-enter the market as a buyer, then their loss will increase. On the test of 1883, many buyers of this candle will close their profit and some of them will wait for this target. On daily chart, price is trading between 1848 and 1817. After this fake breakout like this, price has been tested many times 1848 and daily candle are closing almost near like here. Before going upside, daily candle again have to be closed at this level or above this level. It can retest again 1817 in this week. On retest of 1817 horizontal support and daily candle closing right near this level will confirm bullish trend. Then buyer can expect new higher high. If daily candle closed below 1817, then it will increase chance of bearish trend. On breakout of this level, market make double bottom or can make new lower low. But before going 1765 or 1740, it has to break this horizontal level. And daily candle will have to close like this candle, which will give confirm bearish signal. Till the price is trading and closing out 1817, it would be considered bullish, because this entire trend was triggered by vaccine news and FDA has approved. Seller at this level already know this, and distribution of vaccine will take entire year. All of these buyers below 1817 are waiting for some kind of bullish news which can push the market up to 1956, which is why they are still holding their positions for 2 weeks. 1848 and 1870 are your important support and resistance. Market will not going anywhere without breakout of these two levels. Daily candle will have to be break and close outside this level. On upside breakout, your resistance would be 38% and 61% Fibonacci retracement. On downside breakout 1765, there is a possibility of double bottom. If market break this level and reach again 1765 and first daily candle like this close near these two closing, then it would make double bottom. Or if closing happen below 1765, then it would make new lower low. This trend line has been tested many times, and this was the fake breakout. For bulls we have three resistance: 1848, 1862 and this trend line.